Hi guys, Wendy here. In this video we're going to draw my Draw So Cute bottle of glitter. So let's get started. With this drawing we're going to first start by drawing the top of our bottle. So right here I'm going to draw a straight line. And so this is directly the top, the opening of the bottle, and right here I'm going to round off a corner and bring it down and come straight down and round it off again. So same thing on this side and round it off. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a straight line. So I've got the basic top part of the bottle right there, and then right here I'm going to draw the neck. So I'm going to come in, give it a little straight line, and bring it out. So same thing on this side, and bring it out. So I'm going to start to round it off from my bottle, and come down. So however you like it. But right here, because I know I have a little bow with a little tag, I'm going to stop and draw that first. But if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and draw the other side of the bottle. So on this edge right here, I'm going to draw like a little knot for my bow right in this little corner. And I'm just going to bring out a very, very simple loop for my bow. This is kind of like a string bow. Then come out. And thicken my bow. And then from there, I'm going to come into this corner right here and draw my tag. So about right here, I'm going to draw an angle coming down and draw my tag. I'm just going to round off the corner and bring it in. And so then from there, I can draw some of this tail of my bow. And one up here. And so on my little tag right here, I'm going to add a heart, of course, because this is a Draw So Cute bottle of glitter or bottle of sand, whatever you like. Okay, so I have that basic tag in. So then we can come up here and just draw the cork. So we can come in, so make sure it's smaller than your neck. I'm just going to pop out 2 lines. And just connect it. And then I'm just going to come in here with some dots to make it look like cork, the texture. And so then from there, let's finish our bottle. So I'm going to bring this line straight down. And so same thing over here. So I'm going to imagine it coming out, say about right, let's see, I'm looking at my camera, about right here. Okay, so I'm going to bring a straight line down. Oops. And then right here, about that long, I'm going to start to round it off for the bottom of my bottle. And connect it. So let's come in here now and we're going to draw some details. So I'm going to come in here and just draw another light line just so you can see the cork through the bottle. And then I'm going to come in here and just draw what I did on the outside. I'm just going to follow and bring this straight down. And round it off right here once again. So same thing on this side, just bring it straight down and round it off and connect it. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this bottle of glitter or sand to life. So in this area right here, I'm going to add some Draw So Cute eyes. So towards the edge right here, I'm going to add this circle. I'm going to go right across and towards the edge again. Draw another circle, and so make them Draw So Cute eyes. I'm going to add 2 small circles inside for highlights, curve line at the bottom, and shade in the top. So I hope this drawing inspires you to draw any kind of shape of bottle that you love and fill it either with sand or glitter. or anything that you want. And the lines at the bottom. Okay, so I'm come up here and just draw the little curve just to anchor my eye. And right here in the center, between the eyes, I'm going to draw a curve for a very cute, happy smile. And then add a U to it and add a little tongue. So it's a very happy bottle. Okay, now to add this glitter. So for me, I'm going to use glitter. So I'm just going to go straight across. If you wanted to do sand, you could, when you're drawing these lines, just angle them any way you want so that it looks like sand. But for me, I'm just, like I said, I was going to do glitter. So I'm just going to come here and just draw these lines right across. So I'm intentionally wobbling it a little bit. And let's see here. And one more. So I can get a nice bottle of rainbow glitter. And then, so like if you are going to make it glitter, we gotta have to make it look sparkly, right? So let's say about right here, I'm gonna come in here and add some sparkle. And maybe one more here. So there, that's pretty much it for this Just So Cute bottle of glitter or sand. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Just So Cute videos. See you later.